What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today we've got another one-take bag review. A really fun one today. We're going to be looking at a new backpack from CTactical. That's right, CTactical is a brand favorite for many of you on the channel. They offer dirt cheap tactical backpacks and bags, but we're going to be looking at one of their new offerings. This is the CT21 Bunker Edition. Let's take a look. All right, so we're going to get into materials and everything. I mean, pretty good looking bag, right? Pretty good looking bag. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, a one-take bag review, which is what we do here on the channel, is a straight shot review, no edits, no funkiness, no cuts, no anything. And you're going to get an exterior walkthrough of this bag, an interior walkthrough of this bag, and then two things that I love about the bag and two things that could be better. All right, let's get into it. The CT21 Bunker. 21 refers to the number of liters in the bag. Bunker refers to the fact that this thing is overbuilt as hell. So they normally have a series called the Tanker series, which is really robust. These are both made of like insanely overbuilt Cordura. More on that here in a second, because we're going to jump into camera 2 for the bulk of this review so that we can really get into this thing. You'll also notice here that I have added onto the Molly field on the front of this bag, I've added 4 pouches. 3 of them are waxed canvas pencil pouches, C4X from Haley Stevenson's. They're sold by CTactical, and they're crazy cheap. I think you'll like them. I'll show you those up close and personal. And then we have a EcoPack one as well. All sold from CTactical, attached to the bag. We'll get into that in just a second. How do you do it? How do you attach them? They look cool. I want them. I'll tell you all about it. No problem. I've also swapped out the zipper pulls on this bag to brown paracord, and I've added the paracord handle cover. I wanted to do kind of a synth heritage vibe here. I wanted the really beefy ballistic nylon, and then I wanted to get into with the AquaGuard zippers, and then get into the wax canvas look and the paracord as well. So I don't know, what do y'all think? I think it looks good. I really like it. And really, that's what matters. When you're customizing a bag, the number one question is not does it look good? The number one question is, do you like it? Period. All right, so time to get into it. Time to get into camera number 2, and we will take a look at this bag together. All right, everybody, meet me there. Here we are in camera 2. Let's do this thing. Time to check out the Tanker. The Tanker. No, the Bunker. The Tanker is weak sauce compared to the Bunker, but forgive me, I'll forgive you for being a little bit confused with the naming conventions over at CTactical these days. Okay, so you got the CT21 V3.0. It's the third version of the bag. That one is made of 500D Cordura. Then you've got the Patchaholic, which is fuzzy on the front, and then you've got the Tanker series. The Tanker series is 1000D Cordura. That's a lot of D, you know? But the Bunker series is 1680D Cordura. That is the most D. That is just, it's big D. It is like, that's a lot, all right? So we've got all the D in this bag, and I'm excited to show it to you. Let me show you what the 1680D looks like. I hope you get a good look here. What it reminds me of, because I don't have any other bags that are 1680D Cordura, but what it reminds me of, if I'm being honest, is like old school Samsonite stuff. And it's better than that, but that's what it reminds me of. It's like old school. I had a long time ago in a galaxy far away, I had one of those rolling business bags that I was taking to do business, and it had a file folder section in it, and it had a laptop section in it, and it was like a rolling case because I had all kinds of important things that I needed to bring with me. So the material wasn't too far off of this, but this Cordura, I mean, it's just a good looking material. Now, is it worth the extra money? And how much extra money are we talking about? This bag is $108, okay? The normal CT21, which is 500D, which is, if you're doing the math at home, 1180D less than this bag. So you pay 28 more bucks, 23 more bucks, and you get 580 Ds. So, you know, you do the math at home. What is that, like 150 Ds per $10? I don't know. Anyway, is it worth it? Well, I don't know. I mean, the bags themselves are already overbuilt at 500D, and they're a great value at 85 bucks. So when you go up to the kind of insanely overbuilt version, this bunker series, I mean, you're adding quite a bit of weight to the bag. Are you doing so unnecessarily? Yeah, probably so, but I still really like it. I like the look and feel. It seems to attract a little bit less pet hair. I have 2 Australian Shepherds, one of whom is a white dog, and that white hair gets a little bit everywhere. And so, you know, I've noticed that this is a little bit less of a hair magnet, but overall, I like the look. I like the look of the bag. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, which is these patches. Patches? No. These pouches. So these pouches that I have added to the front of the bag, these are from CTactical as well. They're called pencil cases. And if you go to the website, or you just click the link in the video description, and remember, the links in my video descriptions are not affiliate links. Okay, so you buy the stuff, you don't buy the stuff, I don't care. I make no money off of it. But these are cool. I like them. These are in waxed canvas, and they come in all kinds of, obviously, different materials, but they've got the small version and the medium version. I guess there's a large version, but it's not on the website right now. But these are really cool little pouches. And I tried first to attach them with the little gate hook things that CTactical sells. Hold on, let me grab one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. These. So they sell these on the website, and you can kind of use these if you wanted to attach some of their bags. Like you could run it through here and clip on a CT5 onto a CT15 or 21. Pretty cool, right? But I didn't like how it attached these. So I went on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the video description, but I got these little Molly slides and ran this up the back of the bag, ran this through 4. I ran this through 4 different loops, and then I clipped this through 3 of the loops on the back of the pouches, and then kind of did a little stretch and clipped them on, and they're on there really tight. So I like how that ended up looking and feeling. I went with 2 small of the wax canvas, stuck in 1 more kind of fancy just to mix up the materials. I like the look. I like how it turned out. And these pouches are pretty cool. You know, I've tossed in some stuff, some gloves, my hat, and some extra socks. So used them just for some winter gear and some pens and pencils. All right. You do have a 3-inch strip of hook and loop across the front of this bag. It is pretty large, and you have the 2x3 hook and loop section up top as well. All right, let me flip over and show you the harness system back here, because it is just like all CTactical, CT21, 15, and 10. It's really nice back here. Got a nice padded back panel. Not a lot of airflow back here. Really padded straps with the kind of same wide stance that they have on all their backpacks. I love that. Nice sternum strap with a whistle, because why not whistle? And then you have the laptop section here, and this swallowed up my laptop, and I guess we can get into it. Start looking at some inside stuff here. This swallowed up my laptop with no problem at all, no issues. And you can see in here, we've got a frame sheet on the back, with ripstop, that gray ripstop, which we will see throughout the bag. And then up front here, just a felt soft touch lining here. And then you've got dual zippers so that you can leave the zipper down here or pull it all the way to the other side for added security. MOLLE attachment points on the side of the bag as well. And then around front, we've got this front admin section pocket, which they do on a lot of CT bags. And it's got a key leash with a little gate hook for AirPods. And I've got my wallet in here as well. And a pen. On a couple of CT bags recently, this has been kind of too close to the top here for me. I noted that on my Project Alchemy, that it was unusable because the admin panel was too high and you couldn't get a pen in there. This one seems to be appropriately spaced. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag as well. So the whole drop pocket on the front goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. You also have a quick access pocket up top here. When you reach in, it kind of goes this way on the bag rather than going down. So it is a really tight fit. What do I have in there? Absolutely nothing. More on that in a moment. All right. Now you're looking down at the front of the pouch, the front of the bag with the pouches. You can see kind of how thick they are. All right. I think it is time for us to open up the bag and look at the main compartment, the main event. Let's do this thing. All right. So first off, you've got the same Bro Shake tag here that they have on all CTactical bags. This is this gray ripstop. I think it looks really nice. Inside this top pocket, I've just got some pens and glasses, etc., flashlight, all that. In this next section, I've got some fingerless gloves, good for touch screens. I've got my favorite pocket knife as well in here. I always put this link in the video descriptions. I carry this just about every day. Usually it's clipped inside my pants. Front pocket. It's really, really nice. Yeah, love that thing. My gimbal's in here. My AirPods are in here. My book that I'm reading is in here. Got all kinds of stuff. And then on this side, you've got two internal water bottle pockets that are stretch mesh. I've got a water bottle. And in this side, I put battery backup and my tablet. So lots of space in this bag. It really does feel like an exact 21 liter bag. Feels really nice. You've got everything that you could possibly want. You know, storage wise, I added these pockets for look and feel. You don't really need additional storage on this bag. There's plenty of pocketing on the bag. So it's time to talk about this thing. So first off, two things that I really like about the CT21 bunker. First thing is, as always with these bags from CTactical, it's a very comfortable bag to wear. This one, I was a little worried because just this really high D material, is it going to be scratchy, too rough? Is it going to be, uncomfortable? No, the answer is no. It's actually really, really nice. I've very much enjoyed wearing this bag. It is very comfortable and makes me want to go try some rucking. Like, really cool bag. I like the look. I like the feel. Yeah, good stuff. Material, good. Harness system, good. Really like that. And then I like the main compartment in version 3.0 of this bag, of the CT21 series. The dual wielding water bottle pockets, the nice tablet or folder section, the really nice internal pocketing, the gray ripstop in this version, other colors of ripstop in other versions. It's just really well laid out. It's really simple. It's everything that you would need in the bag. Now, two things that I don't like quite as much about this bag. The first one, you probably picked up on it. The first one is this quick access pocket, which let me show you from the inside here what's going on. This quick access pocket, you have to kind of reach in this way, it's horizontally rather than vertically, And there's about enough room for sunglasses in here. It's not felt lined or anything like that. This is maybe, so they added the quick access pocket in version 2.0 maybe. Maybe it's a V3.0, but definitely in 2.0. I just have never loved it. And I know GoRuck has done similar on their bags lately. And it's just okay. It's, I guess, nice to have it, but it's just not easy to use. It feels very tight to me. And so I've just never really liked this implementation of a quick access pocket. You know, I'd rather just use this pocket when it comes to quick access, because this one right here doesn't feel quick accessy at all, which I guess brings me to what I've never understood about GoRuck bags or these bags, and it's something we addressed on the Sun Bear, which was the collaboration that I did with CTactical, which is divide up this section. Bottom pocket, top pocket. Easy, right? It's not that hard. It's simple. It's easy. Yeah. Oh, well. So one more pocket up top there would have been a really nice solution to this whole quick access pocket. You could even, if you wanted to, do a pocket that's zipped right here, drop this zipper lower. So I don't know. Quick access pocket, meh. I don't really love it. Never have. We played around with it. There is one on the Sun Bear, by the way. But I just never use the thing when it's that tight to get into. All right. The other thing that I would do with this bag if I was making a bunker, as they were, is the grab handle, which is really good, by the way. I would have put grab handles on both sides and on the bottom of the bag. There are little attachment points on the bottom, but I would have gone with this 4-handle thing. Yeah, I think that would have been a really cool way to differentiate the bunker series and potentially even the tanker series, is to put those side handles on the bag. All right. I think that's it. Well, it's all over now, except for me wearing this bag for your viewing enjoyment. As always, everybody, totally appreciate you watching the channel, you supporting The Perfect Bag. Join us over at the subreddit if you haven't already, and hit me up on Instagram. The subreddit is The Perfect Bag. Me on Instagram, Clint from YouTube. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. We will. See you next time. Bye for now.